Last night, I made a YouTube video on this market, the NQ 5 minute, and we were running a strategy called the SMC Zinger strategy. And in that video, we showed you the back test for the previous 2 weeks. We also showed you how we went about optimizing it, and we also showed you, more importantly, a walk forward optimizer. And all of the data, or all of the trades previous to this line, is part of that back test, so therefore we don't count that, right? And last night we showed you that what we were running for a profit factor. By the way, the last trade that was part of the back test was trade number 100. And when we updated that, the end of that video, we were running at about 2.0, meaning we were making $2 for every dollar we lost. We're continuing to run, and I want to now give you an update. It's noon today. I haven't done a thing. I want to show you what the strategy has done. But before I do, I want to show you something.
This house is sure gone crazy.
Do you remember that scene from the Three Stooges? I do. Every day in the market, it reminds me of that scene. This house is sure gone crazy. Folks, if you are trying at any level to make sense of what markets do and what markets don't and where they are going to drive you crazy. It is not a rational market. It never was, it isn't, and it's never going to be. Markets are chaotic. Markets go up and markets go down. There was nothing that would have shown me where the market was going to go. The strategy that we're running is mapping price as it goes. And it has code, and it has profit targets, and percent trailers, and stop losses, and other tools to trap these trades for me. I don't do any thinking about the market. And any of these, especially these long-term models, we're going to have inflation, we're going to have deflation, we're going to have full employment, we're going to have major unemployment. All these leading economic indicators, they are not leading. They are misleading. Misleading economic indicators. They are taking people down a path of losing. So I can say all that. I have not even looked at the overall performance. I know what it's done for me here, but let's just take a look and do some numbers together. You ready? Here we go. Let's look at the performance report, and we're going to come here broadly, and we're going to look at the periodical returns. Since midnight, January 14th, we've had 6 trades. It's made $955. It's won 50% of them. The profit factor is 3.89. 3.89. Now, let's drill down a little bit closer. I'm giving you a glimpse behind the curtain. Let's go to the trade list. Let's see, can we improve this type? Here we made it a little bit bigger to see. And we want to go here to the last trade. And I just shared with you Trade number 100 is, and was part of the back test. Okay, so that means these are the trades that we counted last night. And so let's count them. A loser of 120, a loser of 125, a loser of 180, a winner of 430, a winner of 465, a loser of 95, a loser of 430, a winner of 225, a winner of 450, a winner of 405. Do you even appreciate, if you've been listening to our videos, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to move that here. Do you appreciate how to keep score? Are you interested in how many winners versus losers there are? If you are, that's not important. What's important is our profit factor. We need to add up all these losing trades, not the ones previous or anything up here. They were part of the back test. We want these. They have been running live, and I'm going to do just that. Okay, so we have just added up all the losing trades since here at 101, and we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it's on its 11th trade, but this is the 10 trades. And out of the 10 trades, if you want to count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it had 5 losing trades, but that's not what is important. See, you can win 9 out of 10 times and lose money. What's important is, what is the gross profit? When we add up all the 5 winning trades, what is it total? $2,180. Okay, what are the losing trades total? They total 700, and I'm typing this in, 745. What do we do with that? We divide it into the winning trades. That gives us a profit factor of 2.92. That means we're making $2.92 for every dollar we're running. Guess what? I'm going to keep running it, and I'm going to keep making money. That's it. I don't give a shit about misleading economic indicators or anything else that's gone crazy in this house of a market. This is where it's at, folks. Trading algorithmically, trading mechanically, and is it easy to do? No. One has to be prepared to check your ego, check your brain at the door. I am the dumbest, and I will arm wrestle you for that privilege. I am the dumbest guy in this entire market. Because you know why? I don't have an opinion on anything. Not on Tesla, not on gold, not on Bitcoin. I'm just interested in making money. I really don't care where the prices go, up or down. Why? I'm running programs in the same way that a football team runs plays to get the job done. I'm Bagged on Stock Market Caddy. If you want to chat with me, my phone number is 813-758-8263. If you go through our Q school, I can promise you one thing. You will not look at the markets the same. We cannot make you a trader. We can't do it. I wish I could, but I can't. What we can do is peel back the onion and expose it to you. At the end of 4 weeks, you're going to have a good idea of what you know and what you don't know, and hopefully have the direction of where you want to go. If you want to continue to be a member with us, we'll try to help you around the edges. But in the end, this is about learning to trade your game. Notice, learning to trade your game. We don't give you the stops. We don't give you the profit targets. We don't give you the lengths. We don't give you the inputs. You need to take the time and learn the programs, and learn to do the back testing, learn to do the forward testing, learn to run them, learn to record them, and learn to be patient, and learn to practice. You got to practice, practice, practice. If that interests you, give us a shout. Thank you.